away, you want to make sure you kind of grip it and then keep the car door open and then